Are you looking for the best compact folding rowing machines? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best rowing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. EchantFit Magnetic Rower. The ACAFIT is a budget magnetic rower that provides you with 16 levels of magnetic resistance. Adjustment is made by way of a centrally located knob. This resistance range will suit most beginners, but more experienced rowers will find the highest levels not powerful enough. The LCD monitor on this magnetic rower is pretty basic, as is standard for budget magnetic rowers. You get the standard data to monitor your workout, but there are no built-in programs. The EchantFit rower is not built for tall people. If you are over 6 feet 1 inch, then you will not be able to get a full leg extension on your row. This is a compact rower machine that folds up easily for storage. It comes with a 1-year frame warranty with 6 months parts coverage. Enabling you to enjoy a better workout journey through professional indoor cardio training machines is what we do. We have redefined the fitness experience and wholeheartedly served for over 10 years. We offer you a 1-year for replacement parts and answer in less than 12 business hours. Heavy-duty steel frame which is sturdy and durable and supports 350 pounds capacity. With 47-inch inseam length, suitable for 6 feet 6 inches max height. Number 2. Echelon Row Connected Rowing Machine. The Echelon Smart Rower is a magnetic folding rowing machine that sets out to rival high-end smart rowers like the Echelon by providing smart rowing options that pair with your personal tablet. So rather than a display monitor, the Echelon simply has a tablet holder. When you attach your tablet, you are able to stream fit-pass rowing classes via Bluetooth. The Echelon delivers 32 levels of smooth magnetic resistance, adjustable by way of up/down buttons on the handles. This means that you don't have to stop rowing to adjust the resistance level. The resistance used here is extremely quiet, making it ideal for people who are rowing in apartments or other close-quarters settings. This is a storage-friendly mode. It folds in half to enable you to store it vertically when you're not using it. This rower makes use of a belt drive rather than a chain drive system. This contributes to the quiet operation of the machine. Number 3. Stamina X Air Rower. The Stamina X Air Rower provides a solid stable frame, coupled with a durable chain and molded seat for a reliable, comfortable rowing experience. The seat rail is angled, allowing for a smoother return. The padded handles and pivoting footplates enhance the comfort of this machine. The monitor on the Stamina X Air Rower provides you with a readout of your key training diagnostics, including your strokes power minute, total strokes, distance, speed, time, and calories burned. However, you won't find any built-in workout programs on this monitor. You are also unable to download your training data to your tablet or phone for later analysis. The rower will arrive partly assembled. All you need to do is to connect the rear support footplates and console, which should take less than 30 minutes. Your purchase is covered by a 3-year frame warranty with 90 days on labor. That is pretty good for a rower in its price range. Number 4. Merricks Magnetic Exercise Rower. The Merricks Magnetic Exercise Rower is a solid machine. It's well built, sturdy, and surprisingly comfortable to use. I say surprisingly because with all its sharp lines it looks as though Merax went for design over comfort. But I can assure you that this is not the case. It's not just me that thinks so. This product scored very high with consumers. The machine comes with 8 resistance levels which can be adjusted using an easy-to-reach dial positioned just under the monitor. It's nice that it's within reach whilst you are already on the rower. You won't need to struggle to lean forward or get up to switch up your resistance for intervals or other training. Of course, the rower can be easily folded. It has built-in wheels for easy transportation when you want to put it away. To fold, simply take out the locking pin from the seat rail and fold the seat rail into an upright position. Then simply reinsert the pin to make sure the machine is secure. Number 5. Velocity Exercise Magnetic Rower. The Velocity Exercise Magnetic Rower is a reliable machine that comes at a reasonable price. It also has very good customer reviews. It is a great choice as an entry-level rower for those looking to start exercising and get fit. The magnetic rower allows you to control the resistance with buttons on the control panel. What's nice about this machine is that it provides good levels of tension, something that is often lagging on magnetic rowers. This is due to the drum magnetic control system with electronic tension that allows for a noticeable variance in resistance. As for the build, you get a sturdy and durable frame that's made from aluminum. This keeps the rower lightweight and you should have no trouble moving it around your home. The rower also has a large molded seat and large footplates which make it comfortable to use if you're short on space at home. Then the Velocity exercise rower will be a great choice. As with a lot of machines, you first have to remove the knob from the seat rail. This will allow you to fold the machine up. Once it's in place, simply screw the knob back on to make sure the machine is secure. Then you're ready to store in the closet, under the bed, or wherever you see fit. You can also transport easily using the built-in wheels.